If you're thinking about using List Perfectly for your dropshipping business, here are 12 important things you need to know before making your decision. It's a powerful tool, but it's important to compare it with other options available to see if it's the right fit for your needs. First, List Perfectly simplifies listing your products across multiple marketplaces. This is a huge time saver for anyone running a dropshipping business. Instead of manually creating listings on eBay, Amazon, Etsy, and others, List Perfectly automates the process. But keep in mind, other tools like InkFrog or Sellbrite also offer multi-channel listing, so make sure you weigh the pros and cons of each. Next, let's talk about pricing. List Perfectly offers a tiered subscription model with different features available at different levels. The starting plan is pretty affordable, but you'll want to consider how much you're going to scale your business before committing. Keep in mind that competing software like Shopify or BigCommerce offers similar features, but you might end up paying more as you grow. The third thing to consider is the ease of use. List Perfectly's interface is pretty straightforward, but some users feel it could be more intuitive. Other software like Shopify offers a more polished experience for beginners with a very user-friendly dashboard. So, if you're someone who's just getting started, List Perfectly might take a bit more getting used to. The fourth thing you should know is the automation capabilities. List Perfectly integrates well with most dropshipping suppliers, making it easier to manage inventory and pricing. However, it's worth noting that other platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce come with their own automated tools and integrations, which could make them a more streamlined choice for some users. Next, you should think about customer support. While List Perfectly support team is helpful, some users have mentioned that it can take a bit of time to get a response, especially during peak hours. Other dropshipping platforms like Shopify offer 24/7 support, so if customer service is a priority, you might want to keep that in mind. Another thing to consider is the learning curve. While List Perfectly is relatively easy to learn, mastering the full set of features takes time. Competitors like Sellbrite offer similar tools, but have steeper learning curves for advanced users, so depending on your level of expertise, that could play a role in your decision. The seventh thing you need to know is the listings themselves. List Perfectly allows you to copy and paste listings from one marketplace to another, but you're not always able to customize them perfectly. Some other dropshipping tools allow for more granular control over how your listings appear across platforms, so keep that in mind if you're particular about your listings. Next, let's talk about the inventory management system. List Perfectly provides inventory syncing, but it doesn't offer the same level of tracking as tools like Shopify or TradeGecko. If you're running a high volume store, you might want to consider these alternatives for better inventory management. The ninth thing is integration with third-party apps. List Perfectly integrates well with most major platforms, but it doesn't have as many third-party integrations as Shopify or WooCommerce, which allow you to expand your store with a wide variety of apps for everything from accounting to email marketing. Moving on, the 10th thing is scalability. List Perfectly is a solid tool for small to medium-sized businesses, but it might not be as robust for businesses with high volume. Larger businesses may find that competitors like Shopify or BigCommerce offer more comprehensive solutions with enterprise-level tools. The 11th thing to keep in mind is the reporting features. List Perfectly doesn't have advanced reporting, which can be a downside for some users. Other platforms like Shopify offer detailed analytics and custom reports to help you better understand your sales and customer behavior. The final thing to consider is the free trial. List Perfectly offers a 7-day trial, which is great for testing the waters, but it's worth noting that other tools might offer longer trials or even free plans to get started. So if you're looking to try before committing long term, it might be worth exploring other options. In conclusion, List Perfectly is a solid dropshipping solution, especially if you're looking to save time by managing multiple marketplaces. But if you want something with more advanced features and scalability, you might want to check out our recommended solution, which offers a free trial and could be a better fit for your business.